Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday, and what do we do every Friday? We prep the pantry and use emergency food. It's an open collab, anyone can join in. And this is my first co hostess, Crazy But Not Dangerous, a wonderful channel full of inspiration and lots of great cooking ideas and chit chats. And of course, she joins in for prepping the pantry and emergency food. An open collab, anyone can join in. You can put your video up anytime on Friday, and by some chance, if you go grocery shopping on Saturday, Sunday, whatever day you do a week, put it up and let us know. Just use hashtag prepping the pantry, hashtag emergency food, and we will be joining you and giving you love and support back. My other great channel is My Little Rural Homestead, another great channel. She does a lot of cooking videos, also does some prepping videos. She does some DIY videos, some fairy gardens, and she is just great. Now let's go see what Grandma did today on her shopping trip. As you can see, I didn't buy a lot. There's just me and my husband, and so we really don't buy a lot of food. We're trying to keep our bill under 150 or less. Any extra money that I don't spend, I am now putting it on in my dental fund for I can get my dental work done a little sooner. So let's see what I bought this week. Let's first start with I buy a half a gallon of milk every week. We bought some little potatoes from the potato company because we are going to be using it, and I know it's a little more expensive, but there's just two of us, so I just feel like we can have something a little extra. I bought Mr. Buddy his dog food, his favorite. Bought 8 cans, so I have one extra container each week, hopefully to build up a little stockpile for emergency food for Mr. Buddy. Also, I got a pancake mix. It's a Stater Brothers brand, and I probably saved quite a little bit of money buying a store brand. I try to buy as many store brands as I can because I'm trying to save money. And there is a very good pancake and waffle mix, so give them a try. Try those store brands. Got 2 cans of cream of potato for my husband, quick and easy. 2 cans of the little Sterling, the little hamburger patties in the vegetables for him. He likes that. They had the canned fruit on special this week, so I bought 4 cans of that. That makes it easy for him to open and have something. It's in regular fruit juices. It's not with the syrup. The Frito dips and stuff were all on sale for $2 if you bought 4, so I bought 4. The salad dressing was on sale also this week, so I bought a couple of those. I try to buy things when they go on sale that we eat, even if we're not going to use it right away, because we want to have extra stuff in our pantry and in our freezer. I bought some coffee that had also and some filters. I bought 4 apples. Always buy some kind of fresh fruit, and I bought 5 bananas. And I also got my husband, almost forgot, I did get 1 onion too. And then I got the honey ham also for my husband. He likes those sandwiches. I bought some sliced cheese to put on those sandwiches, and I bought some muffins and some cookies because, you know, we ought to have our treats every week. And I thought we did pretty good, and I could have easily, if we weren't such junk eaters, we could have probably saved at least $10 to $15. The pies were 50 cents each. I bought 6, so that was $3 for 2 pineapple, 2 cherries, and 2 apples. I bought 2 packages of frozen mixed vegetables and corn, and that'll be enough for a few weeks. I didn't buy a lot of meat, but I bought all beef hot dogs, all beef bologna, and 1 pound of ground beef. Now that is the meat for the whole week that we're going to be eating. But keep in mind, there's just 2 of us here. And I'm going to make beans and franks with the hot dogs. And I'm going to make some hamburger stew with the hamburger meat. And that'll be enough to feed us for probably at least 5 or 6 days, just those 2 meals. Because we learned to eat leftovers. And the beef bologna will probably be some I only buy once a month, because it has gotten outrageously expensive, and I'm not going to buy it every week. So once a month, I'll splurge and let us have the beef bologna. So what did you think about Grandma's shopping trip? I thought I did pretty good. I'm going to share with you how much I spent. and it wasn't too bad. I was doing really good until I realized that I forgot to get bread and the dog food. Just one loaf of bread and 8 cans of dog food came to $25.78. I could not believe it. And the whole total food bill for everything else on this drain board, except for the dog food and bread, came to $101 and some change. I can't believe how much that cost. But my total bill wasn't too bad. We managed to get it for $127.76 for the whole week. And we did get some items on sale, and we got a lot of store brands. So we probably, between the sale items and store brands, we probably saved close to probably $20 also. So I thought we did pretty good. Not great, but $101, and then the dog food brought it to $127. And so I'm going to put $25 in my fund for my dental work, since I didn't spend the whole $150. And I'm going to throw a couple extra dollars in because, I got to get this dental work fixed. And I'm just going to try to throw a little extra money every week into my dental fund, and we'll see how much we have at the end of this month or next month. Wait until we see if we can make another $1,000 for the dental bill. I did get $1,000 paid to the dentist last month, and I was really happy about that. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for all the love and support you give. And thank you for watching and giving me support. Anyone that wants to join in on Prepping the Pantry Emergency Food Open Collab, feel free to do so. We'd love to have you. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. We love having you here, and you give so much love and support. We really do appreciate it.